I'm at the vault. JD sold another car for me. He sold 3 cars for me here recently. Pleased with my check, pleased with everything here. I mentioned something on the last cars that JD sold for me, that they were, nice cars. And he sold them and got what I wanted to. He got everything that I needed, just like this. You bring it here and I guarantee you they'll sell it for you. This place here will do any kind of work you need to have done on the car, no matter what condition it is. You can bring it here, it'll be taken care of and it'll be sold. You'll get what you want for the car. You won't have any problems. You see JD at the vault.
Remember to like, subscribe, and share on all our social media platforms and on YouTube. Once you've subscribed, be sure and click the bell.